Hi friends, so we're outside today, and Kaia, tell us what you're painting.
I'm painting a birdhouse.
She's painting a birdhouse. Will a bird live in there?
Yeah.
What kind of bird do you think would live in a birdhouse?
Maybe a red one.
How big?
White zipper, baby one, and a mommy one.
So, a bird will lay what?
An egg.
An egg? And out of the egg will come...
a baby bird.
So Kaia's doing some art outside.
Yeah, I actually got my hands.
Let me see your hands. What does that mean when you get paint all over you and on your hands? And
An artist.
it means you're a artist, right?
Yeah.
It's okay to get paint on you.
You can wash it right off. Easy. You just have soap and water and wash it like that.
That's right. I love this birdhouse you're making. I like the colors that you chose to paint.
Uh-oh, I got more.
All right. Bye, friends.
Bye-bye, friends.
See you later.
See you later, our table.
Bye.